This thing is not going in right in the hole. Hello everybody, I got here is a JBL E55BT headphone that has a worn out, look at that, see, worn out air foam or air mats or whatever you want to call it. Anyway, I ordered a replacement from Amazon, and I believe it was like $8 something. Let me open this up so I can show you the replacement too. Hopefully I get the right part. Hopefully. Yeah, there's the replacement. Here's the barcode. I think that's probably the internal barcode. Anyway, the left and right, one pair. I think it was $7.99. I think. Don't remember. I'll put in a video. Anyway, you're gonna need either a flathead screwdriver or butter knife will work. But I'm using a prying tool. This one. That way I don't damage the plastic over here, because you have to remove this and there's some glue inside there. So I'm gonna use a pick too and a prying tool. Alright, so I'm gonna demo this one. So I'm gonna insert the guitar pick here just to separate it. There's the guitar pick. Now I'm gonna put the prying tool here. Hopefully it'll pop up. Not popping out. It's a lot of glue. Now it's start to lift now. My cut's getting dirty. So if you have a prying tool, even if you don't have a prying tool, get one. Let's see if I can pull it out now. See the glue? Nasty glue right here. Let's take out the other one too. I'm gonna have to vacuum this. Let's see if I can. I can just do it without the guitar pick. The only reason I use it because this one is already. It used to be much thinner, and it broke off when I was trying to fix my iPod. I'm taking longer. I'm gonna need a new prying tool, by the way. There we go. All right. Ooh, look at that! So nasty. This one goes to the garbage. I'm gonna have to vacuum that. Now we're gonna have to remove the glue. The glue here, remove that. I'm gonna use this, I guess. That's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna remove the glue off camera because it's gonna take a while to do that. Right, so I remove most of the residue, just a little bit, but that's fine. Anyway, here's the replacement, and what I forgot to mark was, I forgot which one was the right ear and which one was the left ear. I already removed the bottom one. No, remove that one too. make sure you only remove the, don't remove the tape, but only the cover of the tape. Right side, where the Bluetooth, and again line up. That goes there, that goes here. The right side will end perfectly. The left side, I have a little issue here on the one side. Alright, I'm gonna do the left side again, since there was actually little leftover adhesive there. That's why it's not sticking, so we'll do it again. Then I removed the adhesive that was still there. Yeah. Now it's sticking. See? Perfect. So that's how you replace new air mops, or whatever you call air pads, replacement for a JBL E55BT. Now it's in now. Flush, not sticking out anymore, it's sticking now. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope this helped. I'll see you next time. So if you run into that issue, make sure you clean those points there, the 4 plastic tabs. Make sure you clean that nicely, otherwise it won't go in. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Have a nice day.